Okay, then today I will teach the method of semen collection in different species. Okay, in previous class I taught the method of semen collection in the bull. So today I will teach the method of semen collection in different animals in the livestock and in also canine and in the feline. So today I will discuss semen collection in buck, ram, stallion, boar, canine and feline. So semen collection in buck. What are the method of semen collection in the bucks? Then two methods nowadays using artificial vagina, which is Danish type, and then electroejaculation as like in the bull, but this is quite painful in the case of buck. So people are not using now and only using artificial vagina for this routine semen collection. So semen collection in buck by the AV method. So we should prepare all the things like that, collecting pens, how to design and how to modify these collecting pens and collecting Travis, then preparation of the AV, and then preparation of the sire, then actual collection of the semen. So collecting pens or cages are mostly 8 by 8 feet, and which is sufficient for the 6 to 8 buck, depending on the breed and size of the bucks. And there should be sufficient space for mobility rather than the Travis. Travis should be installed in between, in middle of the pen. So and Travis and collecting pens should be nearer to the your lavatory, which is separated by the pass box. So then preparation of the AV, how to prepare the AV? The AV length of the AV is quite small in the case of buck and ram. So the diameter is 5 centimeter and length is 20 centimeter. And the inner rubber liner is about 30 centimeter, and which we wrap into the thick rubber cylinder. Prepare the all the AV materials by after the autoclaving. Then assemble the AV as like in the bulls I had previously told to you person, and fill the warm water. In the case of bull, we should fill the up to 50 degrees centigrade warm water, and the actual collection temperature is 45 to 46. And here, actual collection temperature is about 40 degrees centigrade, and we will fill the warm water up to 44 to 45 to many times 48 degrees centigrade, and then this collection temperature is about 40 degrees centigrade when we use the AV. Then should give the air pressure and lubricate the inner rubber liner with soft paraffin or petroleum jelly. Most are people using petroleum jelly. Then preparation of the sire. How to prepare the sire? Preparation of sire is very easy in the case of buck as compared to the bull. Just clean the abdominal area and routine prepucial sheath. Prepucial washing is also necessary in the case of bucks also. And dry the sheath with the sterilized towel or air dry, or the just blow the blower. And many people are nowadays using the hair dryer also for the drying of the sheath of prepucial area. And what is the actual procedure? Bring the dummy in the collection crate as seen in this picture. This is collecting crate. This whole area is a collecting pen. Bring the estrus female in this area and then give the 2 to 3 false mounting in the upon the dummy. Then you just collect the semen after the diverting of the erected penis. When the false mounting is over, then just direct the penis towards the artificial vagina and just collect the semen in the artificial vagina. And also allow 4 to 5 thrust after the actual semen ejaculation, so that the whole content of the semen from the buck should be released. Okay. This is all about the collection of the semen from the buck. And immediately after the collection, you should examine the physical examination of the semen, and then microscopic examination of the semen for seeing the mass mortality and progressive mortality and other things. Okay. This is the photograph. And semen collection in the RAM. It is quite easy in the RAM also, by the electroejaculation or by the artificial vagina method rather than the bull or buck. Okay. So most of the semen collection in the field condition is ejaculated by the electroejaculation in the RAM, in the cases of RAM. Okay. One thing I will tell you, that the artificial insemination is nowadays questionable in the in the case of sheep, because of their structure of the cervix or vaginal folds. So most of the people not using the artificial insemination in the case of sheep, but the artificial collection of the semen is done for the routine examination and other things. So one operator, some of the people has using the artificial vagina in the standing position. Some of the people using the lying down condition, but most preferred side is standing position in the pen. So then one probe, act like the in the bull electroejaculation, just one insert the probe into the rectum and locate the brim of the pelvis, and ejaculation occurs by rhythmic reflex. Rhythmic current is passed over the ampullae and the sacral nerve plexus. This is a actual procedure for the collection of the electroejaculation. This is the electroejaculator of the RAM. Just insert this portion into the rectum of the RAM over the ampullae. Because if you have not know the anatomy of that male reproductive system in the sheep goat, then you never do the electroejaculation. Okay, then so electroejaculation done after the knowing the complete anatomy of the male reproductive system. By AV method, this is the same as in case of the buck or bull. But here one thing is necessary, training should be done. Okay. And stress EV, most of the time stress EV is necessary. Matlab stress female is very necessary for the collection of the semen by the AV method. Then collection of the semen in the stallion. Nowadays, collection of the semen in the stallion is also started in the many countries, and preferred method is artificial vagina method. Our second method is that you just take the residual dripping after the dismounting. You just introduce one estrus female and give the chance to mount to the male horse, and then you just examine, take the residual dripping of the semen left in the urethra after dismounting. So it is the alternative method, but electroejaculation will never done in the case of the stallion, because stallion and you, as you know, the horses are the very sensitive animal. So electroejaculation is not used. Some people has tried earlier, but I think they were failed. Collection from the vagina of the male is not normally possible, but you just many time you collect from the vagina after the mounting, after the successful copulation. You just collect the semen from the vagina also by using a sponge and other things like it, by using a spoon. But artificial vagina method is very common and very much, as you told, that very much so important for the safety purpose and sanitary purpose of the semen collection. As in the case of the bull, after the mounting, then just reflect the penis towards the artificial vagina, and lower surface of each palpatus for the presence of peristaltic ejaculation wave. In the case of those horses, there is a peristaltic wave during the ejaculation of the semen. So you just palpate the presence of the peristaltic ejaculation, and if there is peristaltic ejaculation, then you know that there were ejaculation of the semen is done. Otherwise, sometimes false pseudo collection is there, so it should be avoided. But one thing is necessary: estrus female is very necessary in the case of the stallion semen collection. If you have not introduced the estrus female, then horses will never give the semen. So estrus female is most of the time necessary. And one thing is taken into the care that you should not trap into the in between the estrus female and the male. Otherwise, kicking of the horses is very dangerous, you know. You and many times rupture of the your abdomen region, your chest, and other things occurs by the kicking of the horses. Then semen collection in the bore. In the case of the semen collection in the bore, manual stimulation of the penis is necessary, and by the AV method, many people using artificial vagina also. Manual stimulation and then artificial vagina method, two methods are there. And in the manual stimulation, just take the mimic the cork screw shape structure. Manoj, what are you doing? If you're not interested in the class, then you should leave. Okay. If you're not interested in the class, no, then you should leave. I have never asked the.
सॉरी सर, केस आ गया, सॉरी सर, केस आ गया।
तो मेरे पास भी बहुत फोन आ रहे हैं, मैंने 10 फोन अपने घर से काट दिए, ठीक है, और हाईली इमरजेंसी होगा तभी मेरे घर से फोन आता है। कोई बात नहीं, आज की क्लास ओवर हो गई है, अब इसके बाद में पढ़ाएंगे तुम लोग को। और आई विल रिपोर्ट द डीन पीजी आल्सो दिस टाइप ऑफ नॉनसेंस थिंग्स। अगर नहीं पढ़ना है तो भाई काहे हमारा टाइम बर्बाद कर रहे हैं।